Hello everyone. Today we are going to be talking about Delegate administration in Gladinet Cloud. We are looking at the web-based management console and we're looking at the user manager first. So this sample account has only 3 users. So for 3 users, you don't really need to have a Delegate administrator to help you out. But let's say if instead of 3 users, you have 30 users, 50 users, 100 users, so more than that likely you're going to be asking someone else to help you manage the team activities and the settings and everything. So the first thing we're looking at is the cloud administrators. So the team members here, you can assign them full team management scope. So everything you can do, they can do now if you put them into the delegate administrators. There's also a partial scope, which is very specific to each management scope. For example, here, the team folder, you can define who is capable of managing the team folder and team folder only here. If you don't keep on assigning him other stuff to work on. So this Jerry2 user is capable of managing the team folder since he was assigned to this team folder part of the management scope. So now after the assignment, we're going to be looking at our result, right? So we'll be logging out as the default administrator, and then now we are logging in as Jerry1 user. So remember, Jerry1 user, he logs in, he just a normal team user, he sees the home directory and the team folders, the default admin assigned to him. And in addition to that, now there's a Manage Team Cloud link showing up. So he can click on it, and then the moment he clicked on it, you can see the title changed, and then there's an administrator's icon showing up. And also the folder structure changed to the view for the default admin's view. So only default admin can see the full folder structure, and the normal team members sees their own stuff. So now this user has been elevated to become an admin at this moment when he sees this green title bar. Now he can return to it, right? Return back to be a normal user. And when he returns to be a normal user, he only sees his own stuff, right? The things that he can manage are far less. So now that Managed Team Cloud allows him to be elevated into a team admin, or you can return back to be himself when he needs for his day-to-day work. So now we'll be logging in as the Jerry2 user. Remember, we only assigned Jerry2 user partial administrative work, which is the team folder and team folder only. So Jerry2 user doesn't have that Manage Team Cloud link. Instead, he's seeing this team folder management scope right inside his management console. So now he can help out, help managing the team shares and team folders. So after seeing that, we're going to be logging in back as the default admin. And then we're going to make some changes and see how the admin will change. So the first thing we would do is we're going to be taking away the team folder management scope away from this Jerry2 user. We're going to be taking it away, and then we're going to see what's going to happen for Jerry2 user. So now we will be logging in as Jerry2 user and see what has changed after we take away that team folder management scope from him. So now Jerry2 clicks back into the management console, and then see here the team folder, it was here before, but now it disappeared. So he no longer has that management capability for the team folder. After seeing that, now let's go back to be the default admin again. Now you can imagine what I'm going to do next is to take away the delegate administrator, the full admin privilege away, from a Jerry 1 user. So now it's taken away, and then we will be logging in as Jerry 1, and let's see what happens to him. And as you can notice here, the Manage Team Cloud disappeared, and if he click on the Management Console, the things he can manage just applies to him. He no longer has the capability to manage for the team. So now we will do a quick overview, review of what we've learned today. So today we covered two different ways to do Delegate Administrator. One is you can give a team user a full admin privilege by adding them to the cloud administrators, or you can give each team users individual management scope. You can see here team folder has a security management scope you can define. The user manager also has a security button you can click in and define who can help manage the users. So two different ways to do delegate administration in Gladinet Cloud. Thank you and goodbye.